At times, you may need to convert scanned PDFs to Word format so that you can edit or copy the text. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your files in just a few clicks using PDFelement. First, open your scanned PDF in the Welcome screen. Then, select the To Word icon under the Convert tab. Click Settings, and make sure you enable OCR so that the scanned text can be recognized. Now choose a location for your file, and click Save. Your scanned PDF document will now be converted into an editable Word file. If you have multiple PDFs to convert, just go back to the Startup menu and select Batch Process. Make sure to choose the Convert box and drag your scanned PDFs to the pop-up window. Select Word as the output format. Click Settings and ensure OCR recognition is enabled. Then click Start to finish the batch conversion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for other useful ways to improve your daily routine working with PDFs. Thanks, and see you next time!